no let-up to the protest to compel Pakistani government to expel French ambassador from the country. At the heart of current wave of angry protest is government's decision to shelve its 5-month-old agreement with Tehreek-e-Labbaik Pakistan or TLP, a religious and political party, to expel the French ambassador to Islamabad. The repeated incidents of publications of blasphemous cartoons of Islam's Prophet Muhammad and official patronage of France to unending incident of blasphemy has once again triggered a mass unrest in Pakistan starting early this week. The security forces came down hard onto the protesters and managed to clear most of the highways they had occupied across Pakistan few days ago. Paris has advised all of its citizens to immediately leave Pakistan over security concern to their lives. Pakistan has restored services of major platforms on social media networks after temporarily suspending them to contain the violence. The religious group claims that over 24 of its supporters were killed by security forces, while hundreds of others were injured and arrested. The government says nearly 600 of its policemen were injured and 4 of them were killed in the clashes. Pakistan has described the current wave of violence as an act of terrorism and banned the TLP.
We tried our level best through dialogue to avoid crisis from getting aggravated. However, subsequently, we found that they had a dangerous plan to cause the unrest in Pakistan. After banning the TLP, we will soon petition with the Supreme Court as part of our legal formality to get the TLP dissolved.
Pakistan's major political parties have history of attacking security forces and key state-owned buildings, some of them at far greater scale than that of TLP. The frequent incidents of blasphemy in the West has led to make TLP as one of the leading political forces in Pakistan. It is a well-entrenched and enjoys street power, and on one of the occasions late last year, it attracted millions of people in the eastern city of Lahore. Therefore, analysts believe that the government's decision to ban TLP is most likely to backfire, given the fact that TLP has extensively exploited the most sensitive public issue linked with the honor of the Prophet of Islam. Javed Rana, Press TV, Islamabad. The growing tide of anti-Israel sentiments. What you see behind me is just tip of the iceberg of what is happening in the country. More than half of $52 billion black CIA budget is spent on espionage network in Pakistan. How would you handle it?
The US has looked upon Pakistan as an ally at one point and then as an enemy at the same time.
That is going to be the first legal reason on the basis of which he is going to be instantly ousted by the Supreme Court of Pakistan.
Joining us live, Javed Rana, who's an expert on politics and geostrategic issues.
In the world politics, which is not being driven by any moral principle, it is being driven by the hard geostrategic realities. In a broader picture, more countries would aspire to have nuclear weapons.